Have you noticed how every time we speak about automation in South Africa, people get scared? It's taking our jobs. It's replacing us. What will we do? I understand the fear, but today I want to show you something different. Automation, it's not killing opportunity, but it's creating it. And you have more power than you think. You know why automation feels threatening? Because for generations, our survival in South Africa has been tied to manual labor. Hard work meant physical work, admin repetition, doing the same thing over and over to earn an income. So when technology comes and says, let me take those repetitive tasks, people hear, you are no longer needed. But that's not the truth. The truth is, automation removes tasks. It does not remove your value as a human being. Let's be honest, no one wakes up excited to fill spreadsheets, send invoices, or type the same email 200 times. These are not jobs. These are tasks inside the job. And automation is just saying, let me do the tedious part so you can focus on the creative part, the human part, the business part. Automation gives us more time, less admin, lower cost, less burnout, and space to think, grow, and innovate. This is where new opportunities are born. Here's what most people don't realize. Automation creates new jobs we never had before. Roles like automation assistant, AI content creator, WhatsApp business manager, digital customer support, process consultant, and prompt writer. These jobs did not exist 5 years ago. And anyone can start a low-cost micro business using the free or cheap tools like ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, Zapier, Power Automate, or Voice AI. People can offer services of CV writing, business plans, marketing content, social media scheduling, automated WhatsApp replies, tutoring support for learners. You don't need a lot of capital to start. If you have a phone, data, and the willingness to learn, you are ready to start. When SMEs save time and reduce admin, they grow faster. And when they grow, they hire. This is how jobs are created, by helping business succeed. Automation doesn't kill jobs, but it shifts them. Oh yes, we need a mindset shift. Automation is not a threat, it's a tool. A hammer doesn't replace a builder, and a calculator doesn't replace a student. Automation won't replace a nation that is ready to evolve. We've survived apartheid. We've survived inequality. We are resilient. We are creative. We are problem solvers. And now we have technology to multiply our abilities. If you are watching this and you feel scared, please don't feel scared. But feel curious, feel motivated, feel ready. Because the future is not waiting for anyone, but it is open to everyone willing to learn. If your business wants to explore automation or digital tools, but you don't know where to start, MolloAI Tech Solutions can guide you step by step, affordably and safely. Always remember, automation is not replacing you, but it is elevating you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more African tech and automation insights. Do not forget to like and share. Thank you.